This is Naviera Integral's Leonardo, a Damen FCS 5009 home porting in Tampico, Mexico. Right now, Leonardo's crew is preparing for a crew change and cargo delivery to an offshore rig in the Gulf of Mexico.
Naviera Integral started in 1986, and we basically take people to the oil rigs and also cargo. That's our core business. We have 15 5009s, and we're on board the latest ones, built in 2019.
Safety is the top priority, but reducing fatigue and improving the comfort of those on board is a close second. Luckily, in a simple structure on deck, Leonardo is hiding a technology that challenges the role of the sea. Sailing in rough seas is uncomfortable and increases fatigue among those on board, all potential safety issues. But Leonardo's secret weapon helps provide a night of smooth sailing and a safe early arrival at the platform where transfer work begins. At sea, transfers are done while the vessel is using dynamic positioning, an effective but costly operation. Traditional stabilizers are not effective, so if the swell is too intense for safe operations, the mission is cancelled, wasting precious time and resources. But this vessel is not relying on traditional stabilizers. Meet Leonardo's secret weapon, the Veem gyrostabilizer.
We've seen the graphics. When you're sailing 20 knots, it reduces in 60% the movement of the vessel, the rolling, and also when you're at zero speed on the platform, it drops 86% the movement. And you'll see in the footage, it's very clear how it compensates even more.
So how did the Veem gyrostabilizer end up on Leonardo? Well, Naviera Integral identified a need and knew who to contact for help.
For Damen, it's from utmost importance to support our customers throughout the lifetime of the vessel. So when our customer Naviera came back to us with a question, we of course were willing to support them. So we closely cooperate with the original equipment manufacturers, in this case Veem, but also with the design team that actually has designed the 5009. We supported Naviera with the design, project management and site support, and they did as much of the installation themselves as possible. This resulted in the most optimum project outcome possible with regards to cost and quality.
The goal of this project was to improve safety, comfort and reliability of transfer operations. The result? Well, they are good. Really good.
There's been a huge difference since we installed the equipment, because they don't get seasick that easily. So yeah, we're getting good feedback about it.
With this new system, Leonardo offers its passengers and crew dramatically improved safety, comfort and reliability without compromising on speed of service and efficiency of operations.